Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire DELI DRAWER part number 297292302. The Frigidaire DELI DRAWER part number 297292302 is a deli drawer designed to fit in the refrigerator. It is made of durable plastic and has a clear front panel that allows you to easily see what's inside. The drawer has two adjustable dividers that can be used to separate different types of food items such as meats, cheeses, and vegetables. The drawer also features a removable drip tray for easy cleaning. This deli drawer is designed to fit most Frigidaire refrigerators and can help keep your food items organized and easily accessible. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement deli drawer for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to store deli items such as meats, cheeses, and other cold cuts. It can help to organize food items in the refrigerator and keep them fresh. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the deli drawer to the refrigerator frame. 3. Pull out the old deli drawer and set aside. 4. Place the new deli drawer into position and secure with screws. 5. Plug in the refrigerator and test to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.